There are many lawyers who absolutely never go to court. And these lawyers are often less effective when they're handling business transactions, contract negotiations, things like that, because they don't really have a depth of understanding of what happens when things go wrong. So, as an example, I had a real estate closing last week with a lawyer who really has a reputation for being extremely difficult in contract negotiations and in handling transactional matters. I mean, down to the point where she's asking that a certain comma be removed, grammatical changes be made to the contract, a word should be spelled with a capital letter, then with a lowercase, all of this meaningless stuff. And I think there's two reasons why lawyers get this petty about things. First of all, some lawyers have way too much time on their hands. Now, every lawyer is going to tell you that he or she is extremely busy, uh, to justify their hourly rate and so forth. But the truth is, there are many lawyers who really don't have much to do all day. So they will drag out a contract negotiation. They'll make a big deal out of meaningless things, and it's all due to the fact that that's their only role to play in a transactional matter. So they'll have a paralegal, they'll have a secretary, they'll have associates, they'll have people who do all the grunt work, and the lawyer just sort of sits back and haggles about things. Another reason is that some lawyers just don't really understand what's essential because they never go to court. If you had gone to court, if this person had been to court in the past, she'd realize that grammatical errors, sentence structure, things like this are almost meaningless to a judge or a jury who's going to be considering the case. Okay, the most important thing really is the facts and the important terms of the contracts. So just keep that in mind. If you have a lawyer and this person is handling something transactional for you, maybe a lease agreement, a purchase and sale agreement, and they're arguing over petty little things, ask the lawyer or do some research and find out, does this lawyer go to court? Do they really know what's important and what's not? Are they just arguing over meaningless things because they don't realize what's important, and they just have a lot of time on their hands?